welcome to this channel, your channel. My name is Manuel Alvarez, and in this time we will talk about our integrative project. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe.
Hi, my name is Ricardo Arralde. The first case of coronavirus occurred in Wuhan, China in November 2019. In Mexico, the first infected person was registered on February 28, 2020. In Mexico, a quarantine was taken as a security measure officially started on March 23, 2020. The quarantine was carried out in order to cancel non-essential activities, schools were closed, as well as shopping centers, etc. In this way, according massive infection, the life that we consider normal disappeared due to the arrival to COVID-19. Therefore, in Industry 4.0 help to replace actions that may put the people who will perform the task at risk. We note that prevention is very important for everyone. That's why we present this excellent option.
Marcela Lopez Cervantes, and I'm going to talk about MTDGA. For this acronym in Spanish, medidor de temperatura y dispensador de gel automático. I will talk about the most important parts for the manufacturing, as well as brief description of how it works. The structure will be made of two important parts, which are the mechanisms for the facilitation of antibacterial gel and the mechanisms that adjust el termómetro infrarrojo desired height. Details about the exterior. It was decided to use PVC for the exterior since it has higher cost benefit. To give some examples, according to the article published by WebMD, the durability of the COVID can vary according of the material. For example, in the metal, 5 days, wood, 4 days, plastic, 2 or 3 days, and the carton, 24 hours durability. PVC, which will have the function of the covering in the internal mechanisms, either from flow or impurities. We was to a test of 100 people between 15 42 people. This being 41 women and 48 men. For this date, we would media of the medidor. So in the structural element, we have grains of 55 centimeters with higher greater than to meet the smallest 1.45. For the mechanisms of the gel, the main element that will be used will be plastic, PATG filament. The elements we use will help to make the pressure in the dispenser.
How it works? Well, the physical structure is as follows. The operating logic of this prototype is that it's going to be located in the entrance of self-services stores. For example, when customers arrive to there, they will position themselves under the sensor, which using ultrasonic waves will measure the distance to the head of the client, and then by programming in an Arduino, perform the corresponding calculations so that the stepper motor is activated the number of steps necessary to reach the desired height. At this point, the thermometer will turn on and measure the temperature of the subject. Then it will return to its initial position. While the client put the palm of his hand in the space of the diffusion of antibacterial gel, which also works with an ultrasonic sensor too, when it detects a distance less than the programmed, it will activate a servo motor that will cause the gel to be distributed in the client's palm.